Hey, are you looking to build a sales funnel for your company or your business or your product? Well, look no further because there's a competition like ClickFunnels and lead pages and all that, but we can do all of what they do and a whole bunch more. So here's an example of a lead funnel that you can create. So just like I said, we are better and cheaper than ClickFunnels. We provide a lot more services and you get a lot more value. So come check it out. So this is for a product. It's called the 30-Day Leads Challenge, but it's a funnel, and you can do the same thing with your product. So let me show you how it works. We're going to go here to edit. Going to go to the page. So if you're thinking of buying ClickFunnels or lead pages or some product like that, you should check this out. We can give you some assistance as well. So this is the 30-Day Leads Challenge. We have a video here. All this is editable. You can put your logo here, put a sign up button here, and then this is the sales page, sales copy. So basically tell them here's what's included. This is the checkout page. This is all editable. So Google My Business, this is all, obviously you're going to edit this for your situation, your product. And then you can build pages on this and go more. So you build the value. You build the value, you tell them, hey, it's only whatever it is, $97, $197, $597, $997. I know a guy that sells a course on how to cook briskets, and it sells for $997. So you can do it. People want to know what they're going to get, so you want to make sure you tell them what they're going to get right here, what they're going to get in the training, and then you go from here. If you have some testimonials, plug them in here. People love testimonials. They also want to know what they're going to get. 30-Day Leads Challenge. So you can put all this stuff, put screenshots of your product, your face, more screenshots of your product, and then, obviously descriptions, and then you go from there. So you build the value again, tell them how much it is, do the sign up button, which is over here, and you can edit this button. So it's going to say join now. It's all editable right here, as you see. And then this is that text right there. And then what happens is it goes to the sign up page, which is the next step. And I'll show you how that works. So we have more testimonials here. If you have testimonials, you want to put them up here, do screenshots, whatever you can from your Facebook page or just prior customers. So your location is going to be your account name in our system, and we go from there. And then of course you have the bottom. You got to make sure you put this disclaimer if you're going to advertise on Facebook or Google or TikTok. Basically saying, hey, you're not part of Facebook, TikTok, or or whatever. So you got to make sure you put that in there, especially if you're going to advertise on Facebook. And then this is going to be your logo and everything. So let me show you how the next page works. So we're going to go back. So a lot of people like this because it's way. Come on. Pindio? What the fuck? So a lot of people like this because it's way more user-friendly and easier to edit than a lot of other systems out there. So if you think of going with one of those other systems, I invite you to try this out. We can do it for you, or you can do it for yourself. This is how you do it. All right, so here we are. Here's the steps. So you got the lead challenge, which is the page I just showed you. You got the annual upgrade, which is where we're going next. You got the done for you system, which we sell. You can sell that too, like done for you coaching, done for you system, or the we do it for you type of thing. Then you have a confirmation page. So this is the funnel. Of course, you can add more steps. So we're going to go to the annual upgrade, and I'm going to show you how that works. So let me show you something real quick. You're going to set the domain right here. This one already has it set in there. You can add your subdomain right there. Investor. See, we have investor, go, checkout, agent. DFY is done for you, and then all that good stuff. So if you have a favicon, you can do it, or you can make one at favicon.com or favicon generator. So anyways, back to the page. Well, okay, here we go. So we're going back to the page. We're going to go to the annual checkout. So the annual checkout is good because you can basically increase the amount you receive and get some upfront money for your advertising. So you want to get some upfront money, this is the way to do it. You do an annual checkout, you get them to pay by the year, and you can create some upfront money. So you say, congratulations on your purchase. For just $4.97, we'll give you 7 months free. So you can obviously price it as you see fit and go from there. So basically, you're giving them the product plus some months free and maybe some more stuff. Maybe you throw in some coaching or throw in some, some other stuff. That's how it works. So they have an upgrade button, which you can edit over here. You can also edit the colors. You can make that orange. You can make it red, green, light green. Anyways, and then what it says down here, you can always change that. So that's editable. And then they're going to the next step, which is the page, the checkout. If they say no thanks, they also go to the next step, which is the checkout. So they say I'm not interested. Okay. And then of course you can always add elements. You can add a timer. You can add a timer button. We have all this stuff in here. Countdown. You can do that. Right there. And then, so that's useful. That's something ClickFunnels does a lot. Other companies do that. You can countdown, a minute timer. There you go. We're going to delete that because we already have it in there. And then, of course, you have all these other elements you can add. You can have videos. You can add reviews. You can do a divider and all kinds of other stuff here. Anyways, so I'm going to show you how to go to the next step. We're going to go leave. And we're going to the confirmation page. So now we're going to the confirmation page. So let me show you how to do that. All right, so we're back at the launch checklist. You're going to go to the done for you system. You can try to sell coaching or whatever you want, done for you service. We do that a lot. People don't have the time or they don't have the knowledge or the skill or the ability or the ambition to do it. So you can do it for them. And so make sure you have these things filled out, your settings, all that good stuff. And we'll go back here. We're going to go done for you. Going to go to edit. So once again, here's a video. There's a video in here. All right, here we go. So here's a video. You can use this. You can make your own video and make it explain the done for you service and why it's of good value for them, why they should do it. So you say, now you have everything you need to get started. You have 3 choices for implementation. You can sit back and relax, and our team of professionals can handle everything for you. Or, of course, they can do it themselves. So Facebook leads, YouTube leads, the perfect follow-up system, social media automation, appointments automation. You can do this in our system as well. You can do appointment automation, complete tech integration. We do that. We can help you with that if you want for your client. But you got to have your done for you setup here. Whatever you're going to do for them, you're going to put it here, add some pictures, perfect follow-up, add some more pictures. If you're using our system, obviously you can use some of this stuff. And then here it is. So obviously whatever you're doing, whether it's coaching or maybe you're doing some advertising or you're doing marketing or you're doing real estate or you're doing, let's say you're a physiotherapist and you're teaching people how to get fit and stretch out. Obviously put some physiotherapy pictures here. And then, but obviously you can't do that for them. You got to show them how to do it. So anyways, so step 1 is consultation. So you're going to do that. And then you're going to do the done for you service. And then, of course, they're going to enjoy a new lead machine, hassle-free. That's what we're selling. But whatever you're selling, you need to customize it, and make it work for you. So we do it extremely cheap, basically $500. We do it for them. We bust it out, $14,000 value for $9,997. So we make them give us a deposit. That button is over here. It is over here. You can edit that. So it is right here. That's right here. And then they can always opt out of that. They just say, no, I don't want to do it. Just go to myself. And they go to the next step. If they click this button, it goes to the next step, which is the done for you service where they have to put in a deposit. So yeah, that is it. So I'm going to go back and show you more, show you the checkout. All right, now we have the confirmation page, which is right here. We're going to go edit it, and see this part changes every time. So every page has its own unique URL. So that's how that changes. And every time you add a step, the URL is going to change. So to the confirmation page, we're going to go check that out real quick. So it's pretty basic and simple. It just says, thanks, your order's on its way. If the order done for your service, of course, you want to be calling them right away and setting that up, getting a consultation call going, maybe a coaching call, whatever your specialty is. And then obviously if it's a course or something, that you can obviously build the course in here. I'm going to show you how to do that. So the courses in here, you can do membership, you can do surveys, you can do memberships, websites. The membership is where you can build the course. But so if you have a course you're doing, you can send them there, give them the link right here, and then also email them the link. We'll show you how to do that. So to email them the link, that is also through our system. But you can send them to the website, go right there, and then you need to email them the login. You can actually do that automatically with our system, which is in Swan Marketing. So if you want to do this, just let us know. We can set you up and get you going. You can build a course. You can build a sales funnel. And you can do it all right here within Swan Marketing. Let me show you how that works. So yeah, if you want to stick around, I'll show you about the course you can build. This is just a web design course, a website builder course I'm doing for people, but you can build your own course. So you just go to products. And so these courses are stored on our system, and as long as you're with us, your courses are available to sell. And of course, you can build more courses. You can build as many courses as you want. The price stays the same. So that link didn't work, so I'm going to take you over here to products. And so what you can do is you can create a product. Create a product. You can do training ups. You can do whatever you want. Sprint course, the marathon, the membership. Build your own course. I like doing the sprint course. So you just start right here. You start with naming it. You name it, and my new course. And then you just create a product. And what you're going to do is you're going to build out the pages, build the steps. You know, you start with a foundation or an introduction or a welcome, and then you go from there. So like whatever you're teaching, you're going to have to do it step by step. Just do it in steps. You can do it in weeks or chapters, and then you go from there. A lot of people give away the free course. That way you can gain customers, and then they're going to come to you for more stuff, whether that be coaching or your services, or maybe stuff for selling here within the system, like the CRM and the all the automation tools and everything. So you can be selling that as well. You can sell the automation tools. You can sell the website, the CRM, all that to your clients if you want, plus your coaching, whatever you're doing. Anyways, so it goes right here. You can do it for free, or you can do it for whatever you want. $500, create offer, and then now it's an offer. Like I said, you can do it for free, or you can do it for whatever price you want. But then you can add pictures. So you go here, select a file, and then you go from there. So I don't have any available files. I don't know what this is. What is that? Oh, we don't want that. Anyways, so that's that. So if you need help, you got any questions, give us a call, or you can email support@swanmarketingcorp.com. That's support@swanmarketingcorp.com. We look forward to helping you get started. Thanks. Have a good day.